Okay guys, doing a quick video of this Striker Fab mount for a Starlink Mini. And I just got it a couple days ago. And I got the magnetic mount, which comes with these 4 pads that you can just make out the magnets inside of them. They seem pretty good. Like it won't fall off the roof of the van. And it has this opening for your connections. It has these decent looking corners. They look 3D printed, but hopefully those will hold up. They look like they will. And this nicely sized handle. And aluminum base. And I'm gonna put the Starlink Mini in it. This is the Starlink Mini. And that just drops right in there. Fits perfectly. And I'm gonna grab the, I don't know if this is Lexan or what this is, but it's a nice, clear, protective cover that you can order from Striker Fab. That goes on top. And then 8 of these stainless steel bolts will attach this to the mount. I'm gonna do that right now. And here it is all put together. It's got the nice handle, kind of a suitcase thing going. Here's the back side. Okay, I've got the cover on. That's the whole unit. And next step, we're gonna go to the van and put it on the roof and show you how we configured the rest of this installation. Okay, we're on top of the roof. This is the front. That's the back. And it goes right in here. So I happen to have it right here with me. Just grab that. And I think holy cow. That's really on there. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's not going to come off when we're driving. Oh my goodness. I'm going to lift it up here. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, just a really good tug. And it comes up. That was just it sucking itself down. Wow. Very good magnets. Now I have I think it says scan strut. It's a scan strut entry, single wire. I'm gonna put some sort of protection on the wire. So I've got this right now. And we're gonna plug it in and fire it up, make sure everything's working. Quick note on this scan strut. I didn't screw it to the roof. It's so light and small, I think that's pointless. So I just used 3M high strength double side tape. And then I'm gonna do a bead of exterior caulk around the outside. Okay, here's the final kind of layout on top. This is on with the magnets. I've got my scan strut entry. I'll give you info on this cable. And then this is a sheath that I had in the garage. I just put it on top. I'm doing these adhesive tie downs. This is releasable so that I can release it and pull this off. And I'll just maintain these every year, probably replace them as needed. But that's kind of what that looks like. Okay, we're inside the van. Here's the, for reference, the Max fan, Max Air, whatever it is. Starlink is around here on the roof. And the cable just comes into this cabinet and along the back, super simple, into the 12-volt compartment. And then over to here, and I just put this 12-volt socket here, tied it right in. And then I have this 100-watt, I think it's called U-Green adapter, socket adapter. And this is all wired to a switch back here. So we could turn it off when we're not using it, save some power. So that's the inside of the van. And I forgot to mention that the reason I did it this way is I do expect this cable to fail at some point. And so by having it all accessible here all the way through, even up to the roof, I can get to the roof hole with just a clothes hanger, that sort of thing. So I can replace this cable probably in an hour or two when it fails. And so I like that.